How's it going out there, everybody? I've got this VEVOR brand chainsaw sharpener. Let's check this thing out together. Here's everything that came in the box. It's got this little miter here for your angles. It's got a selection of different files here, different bits, and a couple wrenches. Okay, to put your bit in there, you want to unscrew the collet nut, and you want to press down on this here. You pull that out all the way. And if there's not a collet already in there, which this one already came with one, put your collet in there. Just kind of screw that back on. You lightly screw that on, and then you put this on there. And hold this down, that button there. You take your wrench here. And go ahead and crank it down. There we go. Okay, these things are actually diamond. They're diamond wheels is what they call them. It's a diamond sharpening wheel. You want to pick one that's slightly smaller than the gap of your chainsaw blade. Here's my chainsaw here. So I'm just kind of taking a look at it and sizing it up. So it's just slightly smaller. Slides right on through there. Now if you want to go ahead and use it with this attachment, go ahead and unscrew this part right here. That comes all the way off. Then this goes on like that. Spins right on there. There you go. Now we can turn it on. You got different speeds on this thing too. Let's see right there. Low speed all the way up. Okay, and there's our power button. On and off. You know, I usually like to sharpen these to about 30 degrees here, so I'm just going to make sure that 30-degree mark is parallel with the blade, with the bar. Okay, I'm just marking one of the teeth with the Sharpie, that way I know which tooth I started on. Okay, the directions say start with the tool away from the surface of the chainsaw and then switch the tool on. And then you slide the rotary tool in and out against the cutting edge of the chain. It says 1 or 2 passes should be enough to sharpen the edge. All right, let's try this out. Not too loud either. Okay, just go ahead and start on the one I marked. Oh, that thing is nice and sharp. Yep, that's doing the trick. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole thing. This thing is awesome. I have this whole chain sharpened in less than 5 minutes. Man, look at the edge that it puts on there. Just like new. I mean, that is razor sharp. This thing works really good. You know, when you're doing this too, actually I'm watching my angle, but I'm watching my tilt here. But with this guard here, you know, the attachment, it really prevents you from going too far this way or too far that way. It keeps you straight, so it's great. Hey, this thing works like a charm too on these smaller little battery powered chainsaws. I'll show you. See, it's got a small bit like this, and you just take that thing and you'll run it right through here. Perfect. Yeah, it only takes a couple of passes, just like whoop, whoop, and then move on to the next tooth. All right, you guys, that thing's a great sharpener. I love it. Thanks for watching.